Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can track your orders on Temu.com, so let's get right into it. Now you can do this either through the app or the web version, it really doesn't matter, but what you need to do is access your orders and then click on the track button right next to your order. Now, I can't make orders at the moment due to not having any money nor having anything I want to purchase, but what you can do to track your order once you've made it is you can go into your orders and account and click on your orders. On the mobile version, you just click on the U button in the bottom of the screen and then go to your orders, and here you'll see a list of all your orders. Now you can sort them either through the stage of shipping they are in, or generally just sort through all of your orders. And once you select which orders you want to view, you'll see a list of all your orders here. Now right next to it, you should see a track button, which you just need to click, and then you'll have access to all the information you need. Now if we go to the FAQ, as you'll see, go to your orders, click on the track button, and then you'll have the direct link to your shipping information, and you'll see your shipping carrier, the tracking number, the delivery time, and the latest shipping status, and that's pretty much it. Now, if the tracking number isn't yet available, your order may still be processed, so it might still not be done processing, and then you need to wait for a couple of days, 1 to 3 business days, for warehouse processing, and then it'll be available to you once it gets to the shipped stage here. Now while it's processing, of course, you won't be able to view it. On shipped, you can track your shipping status. However, on delivered, it should already be delivered to your house, and then you have no more use of your tracking number, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.